Today on Animal Fact Files, we're talking about mantis shrimp. For more facts on awesome animals, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Mantis shrimp were suggested by Fabian Meteors and Jason Sumner. This is an awesome suggestion. My introduction to mantis shrimp was also my introduction to Z Frank here on YouTube. His animal videos are just as colorful as today's subject, though I'd much rather be punched by a Z Frank video than a mantis shrimp. The punch of a mantis shrimp is deadly. Okay, maybe not to you or me, but definitely to the crabs they eat. Unless you are a crab. Mantis shrimp are named so because of their mantis-like appendages, but they're obviously not mantises. They're actually not shrimp either. Animal names are just kind of weird. Mantis shrimp all belong to the Stomotopoda order, and there are somewhere around 400 species, though that number is on the rise. Heck, just recently there were new species of mantis shrimp discovered in Taiwan. Part of the reason those mantis shrimp were only recently discovered has to do with how tiny they are. The smallest mantis shrimp only grow to 1 centimeter in length, but larger mantis shrimp will reach 30 centimeters. No matter the size, however, they still pack a punch that is equivalent in speed to a bullet. Their punch is so strong they're nicknamed thumb splitters because, well, you get the idea. Mantis shrimp punch in two ways. There are the spearers, who are believed to have evolutionarily occurred before the other group, which are the smashers. The thought behind that evolutionary lineup is that spearers, who normally eat soft-bodied creatures like octopuses and fish, needed to evolve in order to consume the hard-bodied organisms that were beginning to develop, such as crustaceans and mollusks. Today, they still eat similar diets, and it's believed that these diets are the reason they may have better memories than other types of crustacean. The theory is that, because mantis shrimp have to travel further to find a meal, their brains have memory components called mushroom bodies, previously only seen in insects. Maybe that sounds like a bunch of jargon, but basically what it means is that they have to remember where they can find food, unlike Chester, who gets 3 to 4 meals on a daily basis served on a silver platter. I swear our cat is not spoiled. Of course, mantis shrimp eyes are also highly adapted to help them in scoring a meal, as they are considered to be some of the most complex on Earth. They have up to 16 photoreceptors, and each individual eye has depth perception. Our eyes almost completely depend on each other for perceiving depth. For a human being, to lose an eye would be near loss of depth perception, but a mantis shrimp doesn't have this concern. Some believe that their eyes have become so specialized because of where they live. Mantis shrimp inhabit tropical and temperate coastal waters around the globe that are usually teeming with life and brilliant colors. Which mantis shrimp match perfectly, I might add. I guess the thought is that the more colors a mantis shrimp can see, the better she will be able to navigate her surroundings. That honestly just sounds like a sensory overload to me, but then again, I'm not a mantis shrimp. To be fair, not all mantis shrimp live near sea level, with some living almost 5,000 feet down. Most mantis shrimp, however, do enjoy a nice burrow in which to live. They'll actually fight each other over places of residence, though in a polite, non-fatal way. Instead of basically goring each other with lethal punches, they'll just tap each other on the back until they decide who would probably win if they actually fought. Sounds like every middle school fight I ever witnessed. This kind of behavior is pretty common with mating rituals as well, as female mantis shrimp have to determine whether the fellow on her doorstep intends to spend the night or completely evict her. It's because of this that many female mantis shrimp will only mate with smaller males. You know, just in case. Reproduction and egg rearing differs between the species, but in some cases the males will help with protecting the brood, which is actually pretty rare in crustaceans. On average, they can live for about 5 years, but some sources claim a lifespan of up to 20. Also, for the most part, it's atypical for them to be kept as pets because their punch is strong enough to break the glass of an enclosure. For more facts on mantis shrimp, check out the links in the description. I've linked to Z Frank's mantis shrimp video if you've somehow missed out on that one. His stuff always makes me laugh. Also, a mantis shrimp probably won't punch you if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Animal Fact Files.